We are 23 days away from Super Bowl 57 right here in the Valley, and 12 News is your Super Bowl coverage headquarters. Former Gilbert Perry star Brock Purdy has his San Francisco 49ers believing they will make the big game. But 5 months ago, he was pretty much considered irrelevant, even by definition. Well, now for sports collectors, the chase is on to get their hands on unique Purdy sports merchandise skyrocketing in value. In true Arizona fashion, Team 12's Scott McDonnell has the exclusive story of a Valley card fanatic who struck gold.
Former Perry High School star Brock Purdy is shining as the QB takes the 49ers to the playoffs this weekend. And the value of his sports cards like these right here, well, these are skyrocketing. And that has local card collectors salivating to secure a piece of Purdy's card portfolio.
You like me now?
A Purdy amazing pull.
Everyone's looking for this specific guy.
Joe Wismirski with local hobby shop Phoenix Sports Cards struck gold with a recent card break where sports card collectors opened sealed packs with the hope of unveiling a coveted and rare card.
I'm known as the gold miner.
A Brock Purdy, 1 of 4, rookie autograph.
You're peeling back the wax, you're peeling back the plastic, and you see the B. And then you see the last name, you see the P. You're getting excited. You're feeling heated up from the inside out. That inferno's starting to build.
There's a few reasons why Purdy's card values are soaring. First, he was Mr. Irrelevant.
He was the last person drafted in the NFL draft. Like with any business, they've got to put their assets in certain areas.
Add in manufacturing delays, plus the small chance Purdy would actually see the field.
There was no thought that that he was going to be as big as he is. There was no way of knowing that the 2 quarterbacks ahead of Brock Purdy were going to get injured and he would step in and do these things.
Right now, only so many Purdy rookie cards exist.
Not very many products carry this player's card and autograph in it. So when you hit it, it brings crazy excitement because there's a lot of value in that card.
Plus, his ties to the Valley only adds appeal to local collectors.
If a guy from, Gilbert, Chandler, Arizona was able to rise up through the ranks and then become a NFL quarterback on one of the teams that's supposed to win the Super Bowl.
A storybook start with the potential of a fabled finish may send his card values into the stratosphere.
He could win the Super Bowl, but he could also be the Super Bowl MVP, and then it goes even higher.
Scott McDonnell, 12 News.